This is Atarian News Channel, and here are the big stories. US lawmakers voice concern over Apple Alibaba deal. A proposed partnership between Apple and Chinese giant Alibaba has drawn scrutiny from US lawmakers. Concerns center around data security and geopolitical implications. Officials have asked federal regulators to review the deal for potential threats to US national interests. Oregon State University's open source lab gets a boost. Oregon State University's open source lab has secured new funding aimed at upgrading infrastructure and enhancing sustainability practices. The lab will modernize its backend systems and bolster support for global open source communities. YouTube rolls out Gemini AI ad targeting. YouTube is introducing Gemini AI features that strategically place ads when viewers are most engaged. The machine learning powered system aims to boost ad revenue and user experience by aligning promotions with moments of peak attention. Microsoft resolves dual booting issue. Microsoft has finally addressed a long standing bug affecting dual boot configuration with Linux. The update ensures better OS interoperability and reflects the company's gradual embrace of developer-friendly environments. Mesa 25.1 brings major graphics updates. The latest Mesa release supports Vulkan 1.4 and OpenGL 4.6, alongside substantial improvements for AMD, Intel, and Nuvio drivers. This upgrade will benefit Linux gamers and developers looking for robust GPU performance in open source ecosystems. Raspberry Pi Connect 2.5 exits beta. Raspberry Pi Connect version 2.5 is now out of beta, delivering faster, smarter, and more efficient remote access to Pi devices. Enhanced performance and simplified setup make this a strong tool for hobbyists and educators. Disappointing performance in Intel Core 2 and RTX 50 gaming tests. Early benchmarks combining Intel's Core 2 CPUs and NVIDIA's RTX 50 GPUs show overwhelming results with apparent bottlenecks and optimized software leading to lower than expected gaming performance. Xiaomi X-Ring 01 SoC leak reveals custom silicon ambitions. Leaks confirm Xiaomi's development of the X-Ring 01 SoC featuring a 10-core ARM Cortex CPU and 16-core Mali G925 GPU. This signals a major shift toward vertical integration and hardware control. DefendNot tool satirizes Windows Defender control. A community-made tool dubbed DefendNot is circulating online as a humorous method for disabling Windows Defender. While entertaining in turn, experts warn it may pose security risks if misused. William Shatner rallies Elon Musk to reinstate Pluto. In a light-hearted exchange on social media, actor William Shatner urged Elon Musk to lobby for Pluto's reinstatement as a planet. Musk playfully agreed, reviving debates around Pluto's planetary status. NVIDIA's new interconnect tech aims to accelerate AI. NVIDIA plans to showcase a novel technology designed to enhance data transfer speeds between AI chips. This innovation, expected at Computex 2025, could significantly boost performance for massive AI models. Supermicro launches servers for RTX Pro 6000 GPUs. Supermicro is now taking orders for over 20 servers optimized for NVIDIA's RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell GPUs. These systems support enterprise-grade AI workloads and are NVIDIA certified. Microsoft reveals AI agents with collaborative memory. At Microsoft Build 2025, the company introduced new AI agents capable of collaborating and retaining memory across tasks. This could set a new standard for contextual and persistent AI tools. Bank of America commits $4 billion to AI. In a strategic move, Bank of America is investing $4 billion into artificial intelligence. The funding will enhance customer service, automation, and fraud detection technologies. Wikimedia introduces Edge Uniques for analytics. Wikimedia is rolling out a new analytical system dubbed Edge Uniques to better track user behavior and reduce bot driven data skew. The system improves A B testing capabilities and content strategy. Steam discount Black Mesa remake for $1.99. The acclaimed fan remake of Half Life Black Mesa is now available on Steam for just $1.99. This limited time deal revives the nostalgia of Valve's classic with modern polish. Shopify to join Nasdaq 100. Shopify will soon be added to the Nasdaq 100 index, joining tech giants in recognition of its influence in the e-commerce space. Samsung debuts Galaxy S25 Edge with 200 megapixel camera. Samsung has unveiled the Galaxy S25 Edge featuring a 5.85 mm curved display and a 200 MP main camera. It comes with Android 15 and promises 7 years of OS and security updates. Xiaomi confirms launch of in-house X-Ring 01 SoC. Xiaomi officially confirmed the upcoming launch of its X-Ring 01 SoC, which will power flagship smartphones. The chip marks Xiaomi's move into proprietary silicon development. Xiaomi India revenue falls 45% in March quarter. Despite a shift toward premium devices, Xiaomi India reported a 45% decline in smartphone revenues year over year, citing competition and changing market dynamics. Samsung plans image to video AI tool in One UI 7. Samsung is reportedly working on a new Galaxy AI feature that converts still images into videos. This tool is expected to debut with the One UI 7 update. iPhone shipments expected to surge in India. Despite an overall 7% dip in India's smartphone market, Apple is projected to see strong iPhone shipment growth, driven by demand for premium 5G enabled devices. PC Gamer recommends 5 hidden gem Steam games. A new PC Gamer feature spotlights 5 lesser known Steam titles that offer unique and engaging gameplay, providing a refreshing alternative to big budget releases. Well, that wraps up today's tech headlines on Ataria News Channel. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth updates from the cutting edge of innovation. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.